Nike is honoring Deion Sanders' legacy by reviving the flashy spirit of his 1994 rap era with the Air Diamond Turf Must Be the Money. Drawing inspiration from his debut album Primetime and hit single, the sneaker reimagines his iconic cross-training shoe with bold design cues. A white leather base pairs with sky blue accents, gold touches, and a midfoot strap featuring a blue swoosh, while dollar signs, his 24 jersey number, tumbled leather, mesh layering, and interchangeable laces highlight his larger-than-life persona. Sanders, remembered for excelling in both football and baseball, also left his mark in music, showcasing his unique crossover appeal. With this release, Nike blends sports performance and entertainment style, celebrating Sanders' influence on culture. The Nike Air Diamond Turf Must Be the Money will drop later this year through Nike Sportswear and Nike.com.